சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கனமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே. Vaccination may be taken as a test of our patience, and it is our ritual to begin an auspicious program with the lighting of the Kuthuvelakku, which is a symbolism of the spreading of knowledge, as a symbolism to gain more insight in the positive spread of the rays of light, destroying the evil darks of cyber fraud and cyber crimes. May we have the auspicious Kuthuvelakku lighting ceremony. To light the Kuthuvelakku, may I invite our honorable chief guest of the day, former Judge of High Court Madras, Dr. Justice S. Vimala Madam, Senior Advocate High Court, Dr. Tyagarajan Sir, President of SAICI, Shri Vijay Kumar Sir, our Speaker of the day, Shri S. Hari Krishnan Sir, who always renders his ready support to SAICI events. Secretary of SAICI, Shri Balu Swaminathan Sir. A few words about him. Yendrum Ilamai, ever in his 20s, dynamic, highly motivating, and the superhero of SAICI. May I request, after the lighting of the Kuthuvelakku and the photo session, may I request our honorable chief guests and the office bearers to kindly take the seat.
Dr. Madam Justice S. Vimala, Dr. A. Tyagarajan, Mr. Vijay Kumar, President SAICI, Mr. Balu Swaminathan, Secretary SAICI, Mr. Hari Krishnan, RBI, distinguished speakers, media, students, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to all. Let me start with a Thirukural. Kutrame kaaka porulaka kutrame atramthanum tarurum pagai. The translation is, guard against error as you would guard wealth, for error is a foe that kills. This is very much relevant to our today's topic, freezing bank accounts in cybercrime. While the government is driving digital payments across the country in all sectors, for all groups of people, we get dumbstruck once our accounts are frozen for months. This freezing further extends to secondary and tertiary accounts, which is additionally challenging. The latest release on the 16th Jan in Hindu cites 8,674 bank accounts linked to cyber criminals have been frozen in Jharkhand on suspicion. Right from corporate account to a savings account, once frozen, no payments can be made to supplier, government agencies, no bank transfers, no transactions, and none laterally. Hence, it becomes even more crucial to debate on this topic with the learned people here to provide the right guidelines to the netizens, preventive measures, and suggest to the relevant forums on the available solutions. Coming to the next part of the meeting etiquette, I request the audience to keep their mobiles on a silent mode. It's going to be a jam-packed session with a lot of interesting speeches, and also end of the session, you can put in your questions to the relevant speaker, address to whom you want to address to, and share the questionnaire to Mr. Premandan, our Vice President, IC.
So before we have the welcome address by our President, Shri Vijay Kumar Sir, may we take the pleasure to honor our chief guest. May I request our President, Shri Vijay Kumar Sir, to honor our chief guest, Dr. Justice S. Vimala Madam. She is the former judge, High Court of Madras. May I request our Secretary, Shri Balu Swaminathan Sir, to honor our guest, Dr. A. Tyagarajan Sir, who is a senior advocate, Madras High Court. Now, Mr. Vijay Kumar, the President of SAIC, will honor our chief guest. May I request Mr. Sridhar kindly give this book to our chief guest. To honor our Dr. A. Tyagarajan. May I request Mr. Raman to come and hand over this small token of our affection, a book to Sri Tyagarajan Sir. May I request our chief guest to honor our President, Sri Vijay Kumar Sir. May I request Tyagarajan Sir to honor our Secretary, Shri Balu Swaminathan Sir. Our chief guest to honor Shri Hari Krishnan. May I invite Dr. S. Vasudevan. Would be honored now. May I request Shri A. Vinod Kumar. Mr. A. Vinod Kumar, I think is not available, so may I invite Shri Raman Sir. May I invite our Vice President of SAIC, Shri. May I invite Shri Sridhar sir?
ஆமாம் வாங்க மிஸ்டர் கந்தசாமி அம்மாவில் இவர் வர ஃபஸ்ட் இது
May I invite Shri Kandasamy sir?
ஒரு புக்கு கொடுத்தாச்சா இல்லை இல்லை இன்னும் இல்லை நம்ம ஆட்கள் யாருக்கு கொடுக்கல
Shri Neelakantan sir?
வாங்க சார் நீங்கள் முதல்ல வாங்க இருக்கட்டா வேண்டாம் நீங்கள் வாங்க ஒரு நிமிஷம் வாங்க அது எம்சிக்கு சொல்லுங்க வாங்க சார்
He is the master of the ceremony today.
இனிமே புக்கு தான் யார் நம்ம ஈஸி மாதிரி யாரும் கொடுக்கலையே கொடுக்குறது தெரியாமல் கொடுக்குறது
முருகன்
சார் முருகன் சார் வாங்க
முருகன்
Anand sir?
வாங்க சார்